Right here, today in this section, we're going to learn about files, the file system, and we're going to build this app where you can upload a file, submit it, and you get the file, you can download it, and then you can delete it. So I'm going to show you how to work with files with NodeJS. Okay, so I'm using a package called Multer, and in a lot of other frameworks, it's built in the file system, but in Node.js, you need something called Multer. Okay, so let's go over what we got to do. We got to do our configuration. We got to configure everything. Then we got to build out our models. Then we're doing CRUD like before. So let's configure Multer, our file system. So we set this variable storage, Multer disstorage, destination. So this is where we're going to store it, the place, and we're going to store it in this public image folder. Okay, public image. Cool, and you can see we uploaded that file. Then the file name, I'm doing the file field plus date.now, so the date.png. So that's the name of the file that we're doing. Okay, and then our file filter, so these are the type of files that you'll be able to upload, so PNG, JPEG, JPG. Okay, and then finally, once we set our filter and then our storage where we're going to store it, we have our middleware, so we initialize our middleware, kind of like our body parser middleware up here. So Multer, storage is storage, filter is filter, and then this .single, that means a single file is uploaded. We're uploading one file. And then this my file, if you go to the views, and if you go to the file or input, the file we're uploading has a name of my file. So that's it. So there we go. We've configured everything. And that's what we do. Now, let's look at the views really quick. You can see we have this input that's sending our file with the name of my file, and we're sending it to this upload file with the post method. And then down here, we're looping through all the images that are being uploaded. And we're rendering out this so it has the so it has, like, you can download it, this stuff, and then you can delete it, and we'll go over that in a second. Okay, so I want to make it clear when we go in the routes that we're not actually storing the file in the database. Databases, it's used for data and files like images. It's too big for a database. So in our models, we have the path of the image. That's it. We're not storing the actual image. We're just storing the path. And if we go back to the views, you can even see, like, image path, image.id. That's it. And let's go img. Yeah, you can see source image path. So that's how we render out the images. Okay, so that's the views. Let's go over the routes. Okay, so we're setting the upload storage again. We're getting all the images. We're getting all the image paths from the database. And then we're rendering them all out in the index page, like before. So that goes, not this one. That goes back to here with the images. Then upload file, so we post it to the upload file, and then const file equals rec.filepath.slice7. So if you upload it, it'll actually it'll be like the entire file thing, so /public // this /this, and I had to slice out the first 5 characters like in front of the string so that it had like a legit file path. Let me show you that really quickly. Okay, let's look at this this image. And I'll inspect the image. There you go, image / my file. Okay, so the reason I had to do the /7 because it would be /public / and there are 7 letters in there, so I had to cut that out so that we could just do the /image. Okay, so that's the file. That's our file path. And then we're saving our file path to the database. Okay, basic CRUD again, save it. And that's it. So that's how we upload a file. We do the Multer stuff, and then we save the path in the database. Okay, now downloading is really simple. So we go to this download thing, and then we get the file, so /app/public plus rec.body.path. So that's our file path. And then this is the stuff that I cut out before. So this is the file we're getting. And then there's this res.download function file. So that's the file we want to download. And then the name we want it to be as. So if we click download, it's going to be picture.jpg. See, because I gave the name of picture.jpg. And this isn't download, this should be delete, but made a mistake there, but delete, so we're removing it from the path, we have to do that. And then once we remove it from the path, in order to remove it from Multer, our file system, you have to do this fs file system. I imported it here, file system dot unlink, and then path is the path that we had before, so unlink that file. So if we click delete and we go back to our public image, it's gone. We deleted it with this unlink function. So that's how you do files with Express. There's stuff on Laravel too. There's stuff on Python with Django, Spring, Java, .NET, C#. Hope this was helpful.